Some coronavirus survivors were able to recover from loss of smell and taste a month or 3 months later, while others are yet to recover even 2 years after. How long will they suffer from these symptoms? Will it last till eternity? The good news is that there are home remedies. In this video, I discussed the home remedies to this. Are you a victim of this? Or having a neighbor that is a victim? Sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Before I start, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification and like this video. Also, don't forget to share the video with your neighbors. 3 days subsequent to testing positive for coronavirus, everything possessed a flavor like cardboard, reviews 38-year-old Elizabeth Medina, who lost her feeling of taste and smell toward the beginning of the pandemic. After a year, she fears she won't ever get them back. Medina counseled ear, nose and throat specialists and nervous system specialists, attempted different nasal splashes, and is important for a gathering of patients going through exploratory treatment that utilizes fish oil. To attempt to animate her detects, she puts abundant measures of flavors on all that she eats, empties fragrant spices into her tea and routinely sniffs an armband absorbed fundamental oils. In any case, her endeavors have been to no end. Medina, a direction guide at a New York school, says she has lost numerous regular delights she once appreciated, including eating and cooking. She says she has cried each day for quite a long time. Medina is one of a developing number of individuals with enduring anosmia, an inadequately perceived issue that has become a thought little of ramification for some in the pandemic. Most coronavirus victims who lose the capacity to taste or smell recuperate inside 3 or a month, as per Valentina Parma, a therapist at Sanctuary College in Philadelphia. However, 10 to 15% lose the faculties for quite a long time, said Parma. She cites the Worldwide Consortium for Chemosensory Exploration, GCCR, which was framed toward the beginning of the pandemic to examine the issue. Long coronavirus. Tactile misfortune is assessed to influence in excess of 2 million Americans and 10 million individuals around the world, as indicated by the master. Taste and smell are frequently seen as less fundamental than sight and hearing, and their misfortune is regularly considered as less genuine than different impacts of long coronavirus. However, they are a critical piece of socialization, says Parma, noticing that we pick mates dependent on smells. Their vanishing, additionally, is habitually intensified by dietary issues as well as by uneasiness and even despondency, Parma added. Like other anosmics, Medina discovered comfort and fortitude in a care group coordinated by an emergency clinic close to her home. Such gatherings have prospered on informal organizations. The Absent Bunch, framed as a foundation in England in 2019, has seen its individuals on different stages take off from 1,500 to more than 45,000 since the pandemic started, as per organizer Chrissy Kelly. On the association's fundamental Facebook page, the inquiry that frequents Medina over and again comes up: will I at any point recapture my feeling of taste and smell? At this stage, said Parma, it is very hard to anticipate how things will develop. Yet, there is one acceptable marker that anosmics are headed to recuperation, creating parosmia, when individuals' sense of natural things are misshaped, such as smelling trash while sniffing espresso. By and by there is no known fix, and the solitary treatment prescribed without reservation is to smell 4 distinct aromas 2 times per day. As indicated by Parma, this works in 30% of cases, however simply following 3 to a half year of training. Confronted with this vulnerability, it's maybe nothing unexpected that any semblance of absence Kelly, who lost her taste and smell after an episode of sinusitis in 2012, and Katie Boateng, an American who lost the faculties in 2009, have become close VIPs. In 2018, Katie Boateng made the Smell digital broadcast, a mine of data and guidance for her friends in mishap. Day by day works out, she is currently important for a patient support bunch that helps direct GCCR's exploration. Despite the fact that Boateng has surrendered any desire for being restored herself, I'm still confident that we can prompt examination that can fix individuals later on, she said. While hanging tight for a clinical achievement, many keep on playing out their everyday sniffing works out, at times with the assistance of a mentor, as Leah Holzel. The food master, who had lost her feeling of smell from 2016 to 2019, has assisted 6 individuals with recuperating anosmia since the beginning of the pandemic. Numerous victims likewise stick to messages about enhancements or healings that show up routinely on informal communities, appreciating the brotherhood that the gatherings give. It's by and large a year after I originally lost my smell and taste, and I'm basically alright now, Dominika Urakova, who lives in Southampton, Britain, composed on Absence's Facebook page. Keep it together, don't lose expectation, and I'm wishing you all good luck, the 26-year-old added.